It's been a minute since I've talked about Dollar Tree, but today we're talking about Dollar Tree. Hello, I'm Judi the Organizer. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. Why am I whispering? I don't know. I think it's because we're talking about Dollar Tree. It's been a minute, guys. So in today's video, we're going to be comparing a few Dollar Tree organizing products with other brand organizing products. I'm going to talk about if the quality is up to par, how to use them in your home, and the price. And we'll see which one I like the best. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first product is the collapsible storage container. This girl right here. Hello, hello. Look at her. So this product is from the Dollar Tree, and I was stunned to see what it ended up being. So when I first went to the Dollar Tree, you're only really able to see the picture of it, and I was like, there's no way. There's no way, but there is a way. I opened it up, and this is what it looks like. It's a little bit wonky right now, but once you put items inside of it, it's gonna shape and it's gonna look good. Even when I opened the package, I was like, wait, I don't think this is what I think it is. But when I put it together, I was like, wait, it is. My goal is to place all of Cairo's nighttime onesies in them. Right now in her nursery dresser, there are designations, but it can be better. And I feel like this will make it better. So I'm gonna show you guys a comparison product right now, but I gotta go get it, so hold on. So a product that's similar to the Dollar Tree collapsible storage container is this collapsible storage container, which it can be unzipped and it collapses. I clearly use this currently and I still like it. Like, honestly, if we're about to compare the two, they feel the same. This is a bit larger, and maybe the cardboard inside of it is like a millimeter thicker, but this is literally, this is the mama and this is the baby. This is the same. The middle section does not come out of this one, and it does in the Dollar Tree version. It comes right out. It's actually in a few pieces. If you want to organize socks, underwear, like I'm going to do baby onesies, you can with these. You can buy a few of these. You can buy like a good 4 to fill your drawer, and your drawer will be literally organized. As far as price, this one, I can't remember the price. I'll put it on the screen, but it was probably between $10 to $15, and it came with a few. This one is $125. We're pausing. All right, on to the next one. So the next product is this storage bin. I love bins. They just do everything I need them to do and more. They're stylish, they're functional. Anywho, but this is the one that I got from Dollar Tree. This is what it looks like. There are metal rods on the top only, which gives it some kind of structure, which I like. The quality on this is just, sorry. The quality on this is so much better. Maybe it's the material, it's the way it was constructed. It just makes more sense. And I feel like this can really last for a long time. Also, if you wanted more structure to this, I would suggest adding cardboard to the bottom. So basically cutting out cardboard, the shape of the bottom, and place it inside, and it will keep the shape even better than it is right now. I know I keep moving it. Let me put it down. I would suggest using this bin for like soft items. So like clothes, maybe your sweaters, maybe your scarves, your like winter accessories, maybe some hats, like some beanies. Those very soft items that don't necessarily need to be in something with structure, if you will. Let me show you a comparable item and I'll let you know what I think. So this is a bin that I am currently using in my space that's very similar. I'll put them next to each other on me. You know what, I'll say a bit similar. They're not very similar. But the reason why I believe they're similar is because they have the metal bars inside of them. But the thing with this one is it has metal here and metal here. So the shape stays. Look at this, the shape stays. I mean, I'm obsessed with this. This one is from Neat Method. So I get why this bin was constructed the way that it is. The Container Store does have a similar storage bin to the Dollar Tree one, and it looks like this. And I feel like if you were to compare the two, This is definitely something that's very similar. The Neat Method option is, I think these go for like between $35 to $40, which it's pretty pricey, but the quality is there. So I would still suggest a Dollar Tree item if you are on a budget. I feel like it's gonna give you what you need for the price, and whatever sits inside of them is gonna be organized. So the next Dollar Tree item that I came across and I was stunned by, that's dramatic, is this. So it doesn't look like much now, but if you can see, it's the 7-pocket organizer, and I love these. This is a great addition, kind of like the collapsible container. So in this bin, you can have like maybe larger items, maybe your t-shirts, you can fold them, of course, file fold them and then place them in here. You can also place like your scarves in here, your socks. You can place a lot of items in this container, and it's going to organize it. This is the one I have, but I'm not currently using, and it's literally, it's literally the same thing. It's just not mesh. It did come with the collapsible bin. So that's the thing about the collapsible bins, is they come in like a set compared to just individual pieces, but still $1.25. I mean, you can get a few and it'll be a set. This may actually last a bit longer than the other brand. So I kind of think Dollar Tree won. So now we're going into the bedroom, and I'm gonna show you guys a storage bag that I like. So the Dollar Tree has this storage bag. I actually have taken it out of the original container, so it's pretty large. You can't really, well, I guess you can see it shaped like this. Bam, you see it. The quality is decent. It is made out of like, you know, loud plastic. It's not stretchy at all, and you know, it's cheap. It feels cheap. I do like the size. It's a pretty large size, and it could fit a lot of your like linens, and it could probably fit like a good size, like, or I'll say a twin size comforter if that's what you wanted to store, since it's so large, or even seasonal clothes. I feel like you can add a good number of seasonal clothes in here and it will work, especially because it's seasonal. You're not going to touch them all the time. So the comparison product, or the other product from another store, is this storage bag. It's pretty big. You see it, y'all see it, y'all see it. It's very similar, but very different. The material on this other store brand is much thicker. You can throw this around and it won't tear. And this for sure will last for a long time, compared to the Dollar Tree option where you cannot throw it around because it's going to tear. Of course, in the B-roll, you're going to see it with things in it, so it doesn't look like a plastic bag. I'm just like this. It definitely looks a bit more structured when it has stuff in it, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks without items in it. Definitely will go for the store brand, or another store option, which is from the Container Store. This one goes for about $15 to $20, while the Dollar Tree one goes for $125, which if you are on a budget, you can buy a few of those storage bags, place your seasonal items, your linens, your comforters in them, put it away, don't touch it until you need to touch it, and it's probably gonna last for a while. So that's what I would suggest for that particular one, but quality ain't there. So last but not least is probably my favorite item, and it is, I'm looking around, where you at? I kept it in its original container just to kind of show you, but I did kind of open it. These are basket labels. When I saw this, guys, I was like, I need them, and I probably should have purchased more, because I think this is a perfect replica to another brand. So let me show you guys what it looks like outside of the container. This is a label holder. It comes with like a label card where you can write your label. It's great. I mean, I've been wanting to see one of these in a cheaper form for so long, because the other ones at other stores are way more expensive. Granted, a lot of them are made out of metal, so I get it. But this is cheap, and you get 3 for $125. So that to me was a steal, but let me show you guys the other brand. So the other brand is this one. So this one is metal, and we are currently using this in Sabria's room, and you can hear that. It comes in a pack of 3. It goes for about $9.99 for 3. So this and this, like, they look really similar. Really similar. It's a steal to get the Dollar Tree option. I have wanted to introduce much more budget-friendly labels to my clients, so they're not spending an arm and a leg for like 15, 20 labels. They can at least spend $5 for 15 and not $150 for 15. You can of course use these on any type of bin that will fit them. Because this is a very tight clip, it can fit even the most thinnest bins. I want to show you guys an example. Even if I put it on that, look at that. It's there. It's there. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna show it to you guys with the other one. This one, you see how it's coming off? Like, even if I squeeze it. So guys, that Dollar Tree label, wowzer, it's a great find. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you here. These are the 5 organizing products from Dollar Tree that I like, or at least that I saw and wanted to talk about, you know, other than the underbed storage, but I still think it's a decent product. And I wanted to share with you guys. I also did a reel on this, so definitely check out my Instagram, and it'll show you when I first saw them and my thoughts on them. Dollar Tree does have other organizing products I didn't purchase, but these are the ones that were new to me and I just had to talk about. Let me know in the comment section below if you have a Dollar Tree in your area and if you've seen these organizing products. If you haven't yet, I'm assuming it's coming, but if you have, you should definitely snag a few, because I think they're perfect additions to your space to keep your items organized. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.